Well, now, you see these here boots? They come out here to show you something wonderful. They come on down here to me. This here might be just what you'd call once in a lifetime thing. And you want to look up here in this barn. Look here at all these Luna Moths. I done been out here earlier. Look at them. They're everywhere. They're here, they're there, they're on the ground, they're everywhere. Look at them. Ain't that amazing? Absolutely amazing. He is just everywhere. Most beautiful creatures. Look at them. Look at that deer. Isn't he beautiful? Look at that. Here's another one. Look at him. And there's, look at him up there, see him? You see them up there, see him? Look at him. He's even up underneath the rafters. I just want you to see this. Altogether, I've counted 40 of them. There's 40 of them there. Isn't that something? There's 2 of them up there. You see that right there? Looky there. What an amazing thing nature is. Teach us a lesson. Well, I hope you liked this little adventure. It wasn't long, but it sure was amazing.